Hey, this is Jamie with Golf Geeks, and today I have another unboxing video for you. I'm going to be pulling out the Taylormade M3 440cc driver in just a second, and I'll just get it now. So, here you go. I'll just give you a little look at the sole here. M3 and in red right there. Says 440. Let me try and get a still shot. I'm pretty bad at just having shaky shots. It is a 10.5 degree. No, sorry, 10 degree. 10 degree. We've got a stiff shaft. This is the Mitsubishi Chemical 60 gram stiff flex shaft CK series. Okay, whatever that means. It's got the looks like a Golf Pride Tour Velvet grip that comes standard on these clubs. Feels pretty good. It comes with the torque wrench, of course. Same makeup as the M3. I mean, precisely same makeup, just minus 20 cc's for a smaller head size, which I think would be cool. I haven't hit a driver of that size in probably well over a decade. So it'll be pretty cool to hit this thing and see how it performs. I got this club. If you've ever gone to globalgolf.com, what they have now is called a Utry. Give me just a second. So it's called Utry before you buy. So you pay 25 bucks and you get to test brand spanking new clubs for 14 days. If you keep it, they subtract the 25 bucks and they throw in other perks on top of that. If you don't want to keep it, you send it back by the date they specify, 14 days later, and you can try another club. It's an awesome deal. Man, if you're in the market for a new driver or a wood, they do this with woods too, and you can configure it to your swing. I mean, you can't have them cut the shaft and stuff like that, but other than that, you can get the flex you want, and the stiffness you want. Well, flex. So you can do that right-handed, left-handed. So it's a pretty cool deal. It's an awesome deal, and take advantage of it if you're in the market for a club. You'd be silly not to. So that's it. I'm gonna test this thing over the coming. Oh, let me give you some more looks here. So that's the face. Sorry. And it's got the carbon crown again, carbon composite. Got a little reflection there. And it's black on gray. Alright, that's it. I'm going to put it through its paces, a lot of time on the range, a couple rounds at least, and I will report back what I think about the club and how it performed for me. That's it. You guys have a great day.